My name is Dr. Brian Noga, and my lab studies neuromodulation. One of the biggest problems of spinal cord injury is paralysis, and we are investigating techniques in which we can try to improve the movement of persons with spinal cord injury using electrical stimulation or neuromodulation. Of the things that are really interesting that I study in my lab is the use of deep brain stimulation as a neuromodulation strategy. One of the most important aspects about spinal cord injury is that most injuries are actually incomplete. And that means that there are still connections between the brain and the spinal cord. And we believe that by activating fibers or pathways that are still connected to the spinal cord, we can actually improve spinal cord function. And one of the ways that we can do this is to electrically stimulate different parts of the brain and initiate movements and therefore possibly improve paralysis. So one of the goals of the Miami project is to actually cure paralysis. And we think that techniques that we study in our lab actually may help to alleviate and improve walking ability of people that have spinal cord injury. When I first actually went to university, my interests actually were not in the biological sciences, but rather in the physical sciences. But after a few years, I actually started to gain a lot more interest in biology. And at the university, when I did my bachelor's degree in science, I actually met one of my teachers who is a neuroscientist. And he taught a couple of courses, and they actually became my most favorite courses that I had. And that actually garnered my interest in neuroscience. I eventually had the opportunity to apply for a position at the Miami project, which was probably one of the best choices I could make in my career. And I've been here ever since.